In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ctrader Web. Open your browser and head to spotware.com/ctrader. This is the official landing page for Ctrader. From here, select Ctrader Web to launch the platform directly in your browser. No downloads needed, which makes it convenient if you're switching devices or trading on the go. Next, log in using your broker account credentials or your Ctrader ID. If your broker offers both live and demo accounts, double check that you're in the correct one before proceeding. For learning and testing, a demo environment is a great place to start. Keep your login details secure and avoid saving passwords on shared devices. Before placing any trades, take a moment to understand the layout. On the left, you'll find Market Watch, where you can browse symbols like forex pairs, indices, and commodities. The center is your chart area, with tabs if you open multiple charts. Above the chart, you'll see controls for timeframes, chart types, and indicators. At the bottom, the TradeWatch panel shows your open positions, orders, history, and account details, such as balance and margin. Getting familiar with these panels will help you move quickly and avoid mistakes. From Market Watch, click a symbol you want to analyze. This highlights it and prepares it for charting and trading. If you don't see your preferred symbol, use the search bar or expand categories to find it. Click New Chart to open a fresh chart for that symbol. Adjust the time frame to fit your strategy, switch the chart type if needed, and add indicators like moving averages or RSI for context. You can also customize colors and layouts so the chart is easy on your eyes. When you're ready to place trades, use the order panel to choose your order type, market, limit, or stop. Set your volume and add a stop loss and take profit to manage risk and targets from the start. You can also use quick trade buttons on the chart for faster execution once you're comfortable. Always review the order details before clicking buy or sell. To manage trades, go to the TradeWatch panel. Here you can modify stop loss and take profit levels, partially close a position or close it entirely. On the chart, you can drag SL and TP lines to adjust levels visually. Pending orders can be edited or cancelled if the market conditions change. Finally, explore Ctrader Web tools. Add indicators and drawing tools, save chart templates, set price alerts, and organize custom watch lists. You can also switch layouts, undock charts, and use workspaces to keep everything tidy. Practice in demo first, then transition to live when you're confident.